What is up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, hello, how are you? Hi, my name is Shara, and I'm very, very happy to have you here. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe. I do love coming out with content, and we get to hang out more. Yes. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a video on this look. I've actually been wearing the crap out of this eye look lately. It's just been very soft, very pretty, and I don't know, I've just been very much so digging it lately. So I wanted to, of course, make a video on it and show you guys how I created this look. Also, don't mind my nails. They're super crusty. I need to paint them. They're always crusty, and I always need to paint them. But I'm here making this video and my nails are gonna have to wait for now. I guess I should stop rambling. If you guys are interested in seeing how I created this look, then just keep watching. Starting off with Benefit's Goof Proof Brow Pencil, I'm just going to be lining, filling in my brows, as well as just blending them out with a spoolie. And then you'll see that I'm going to carve my brows out using the NYX Full Coverage Concealer in the pot. Going in with Benefit's Professional, I'm just focusing that around my nose area, and then I'm going to go in with Maybelline's Baby Skin, and I'm going to focus that on the rest of my face. And you're going to see that I'm going to go in with Ulta Beauty's Lip Infused Oil. Love this stuff to moisturize my lips. And then I'm going in with City Colors Photo Chic Color Corrector under the eyes, and then the foundation, Wet n Wild Photo Focus, of course, in Desert Beige. And then I've been also mixing this Rimmel Lasting Breathable Foundation and just blending all of that out. I really, really like the coverage of the two mixed together, and that's what I've been using lately. Now going in with ColourPop's No Filter Concealer, I'm just focusing that around the highlighted areas, under my eyes, the bridge of my nose, the forehead, and a little bit on the chin, and then we'll be blending all of that out. Then I'm going to be taking this contour shade in the NYX palette and contouring my nose, and then I'm going to be setting it with the Glamour Dolls and Lisa Frank collab bronzer, and then taking the Ulta Beauty pressed powder and setting all the highlighted areas with that, and then using this Urban Decay powder and setting my foundation with that as well. To contour, I'm using Wet n Wild's pressed powder in Cocoa, and this is a few shades darker than my skin tone, and I'm just hitting that pretty much in the contoured areas just to warm up my face. Taking Makeup Revolution's Luxury Powder in Banana and baking my face as well. Let's get started on the eye look. I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill Palette by Morphe and digging into Silk Cream and focusing that more in the transition area. Picking up the shade Hunts, I'm going to be focusing that on the outer V, as well as bringing some of that shadow over into the crease area and then slowly blending it up so it gives you that gradient effect. Picking up the shade Roxanne, and I'm going to be focusing that more on the outer V alone and then just kind of deepening that area. Now picking up the shade Sissy, which is one of my absolute favorite shadows from this palette, and I'm focusing that more on the inner half of the lid. Picking up the shade Beam, and I'm going to be focusing that more in the brow bone area. And taking a blending brush and just blending all that together just so it has a smooth transition. And now just quickly cleaning off the baking and then going right back into the eyes. I am grabbing this shade Buns, and I'm going to be lining that in the lower lash line and then just taking a fluffy brush just to kind of blend all that out so it's not as harsh. And then I'm going to go in with L'Oreal's Lash Paradise mascara, with hitting that on the bottom lashes and then tight lining, and now applying false lashes. And of course taking the mascara and binding my false and real lashes together. And with highlighting, I'm going with this Wet n Wild highlighter, hitting that on the higher parts of my cheekbones, as well as my forehead and nose, as well as the inner corners. Last for this look, I'm taking Jordana's Sweet Cream Matte Liquid Lip in Cinnamon Toast and just filling in my lips. And here's the final look. I hope you enjoyed this soft Valentine's Day look, and please subscribe if you haven't already. Like this video, I'd greatly appreciate it, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.